Are you thinking about a career or getting involved or learning more about retail tailoring? Retail tailoring is simply the part of tailoring that involves the presenting and selling of a garment to a client. Over the years, there's been many changes. In my lifetime, visiting tailoring became very popular, and in the last couple of years, Instagram, selling online is becoming the way forward. Now, there's lots of avenues, and there's lots of places for people to fit wherever they want to fit within this process. So the main ones I would say is selling online, creating a capsule collection of clothing, selling in store where you bring a brand in store and you invite people in, and the third is visiting tailoring. There's lots of other ways. I've created a free discovery course which is allowing students to really look at whether it's right for them. Within it, we've got modules on fabrics, on measuring, on doing your pitch, and a little bit of market research to find out wherever you are in the world if you can make it work, if the numbers add up. All I ask you to do is enjoy the course and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the love. Look forward to seeing you on the course. Bye for now.